Today we're going to bring a ring light, and look at the size of the ring light. It's very small, petite. It has a control module here, which is a 5-volt connection, USB Type A, and they give you the instructions how to use this. Now it has different modes, different tones. It's very simple to set up. It's a power button on here, if you guys can see it, minus, and then cycle between the lights because you could change the tone on the light, and then plus here, so you could dim it down. So it has a dimmer. Now the actual light itself, it rotates in different directions. If you guys can see, forward, backwards, left, and right. All right. I like that option. So when you're doing TikToks or any kind of streaming and you need the extra lighting, this is a perfect way. So we're going to test it out and see how bright it is. Let's go ahead and plug it in. All right. So we're going to test out the light and see how well it works. Right now, I turn off the lights completely. I'm going to grab the control here in front of me and we're going to crank it up, the light up. That's the yellow tone that we're looking at right now. And we could turn it down if you want just by clicking the button. It dimmers down, so you can mess with the settings if you want. Just want to keep doing that. And then we're going to change the color of the actual light, more like a white tone. So you could be talking to you, whoever it is on the other end. Look at that, and change it to other tones. So I kind of like this tone's my favorite one, and I am going to turn it down just a little bit because if it gets to your eyes, if you guys can see my glasses, it gets into the glasses. You could dim it down if you want because the reflection might go back into the camera and you might see some distortion. Now, the cameras I'm using, it's completely dark in here. But normally you would use this in a daylight or any else that where other lights are accessible. So it will look better than this. But right now we're doing the test, as you can see. And of course, completely off, completely on. And then we are going to go all the way to the top to see how bright it is and mess with the settings. So very simple to use. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.